The journey begins inside a factory designed to create high-efficiency power systems. All LED driver boards start with raw electronic components arriving on the assembly line. Each component is meticulously sorted to ensure flawless assembly.
Robotic precision places each component with unmatched accuracy.
Every board is carefully checked and adjusted by skilled hands.
Precise soldering bonds each component, bringing the board to life.
Each board is rigorously tested to ensure perfect electrical performance. A protective coating shields each board for durability and safety. Controlled heat ensures every board's coating is perfectly cured.
Every board is tested under high voltage to guarantee safety and efficiency. Boards endure extreme temperatures to ensure long-lasting reliability. Each board is carefully fitted into its protective enclosure. Screws and clamps secure every board tightly within its housing. Screws and clamps secure every board tightly within its housing. Screws and clamps secure every board tightly within its housing.
Every unit is powered on and tested to confirm proper electrical function.
Each board is tested under load to measure efficiency and performance.
Each unit passes rigorous safety checks before leaving the factory. Each unit is carefully packaged for protection during shipment. Every package is carefully labeled and prepared for delivery. Packages glide silently toward the shipping area, ready for transport. Finished units are carefully loaded onto trucks for distribution. Finished units are stored securely, awaiting shipment to customers. Random units undergo final quality testing to maintain consistent standards. Each unit receives protective sealing to ensure durability in all conditions. Coatings are carefully cured to provide long-lasting protection.
Each unit undergoes a last functional verification before leaving the line. Units are carefully sorted into batches, ready for packaging.
Automated machines package every unit efficiently and securely.
Packages are stacked on pallets, ready to be transported to customers. Packages are stacked on pallets, ready to be transported to customers.
The journey ends as LED driver units leave the factory, ready to power the world. Advanced testing calibrates each unit to meet precise performance standards.
Units undergo burn-in testing to ensure reliability under continuous operation.
EMI testing ensures each unit won't interfere with surrounding electronics. EMI testing ensures each unit won't interfere with surrounding electronics. Thermal inspections reveal hidden heat patterns, ensuring safe operation.
Firmware is uploaded to each unit, enabling precise control of LED functions.
Units are automatically sorted according to their precise specifications. Each unit is cushioned with protective foam to withstand transport shocks. Automated machines seal each box, ensuring security during shipment. Every label is verified to ensure accurate delivery information. Boxes are staged strategically, ready to be loaded onto delivery trucks. Forklifts carefully load pallets, preparing units for transport. Trucks depart the factory, carrying LED driver units to customers worldwide. Remaining stock is carefully cataloged and stored for future shipments.
Orders are carefully picked, ensuring every customer receives the correct units.
Each order is individually packed, ready for delivery to customers.
Automated systems seal each order securely, preventing damage in transit. Every box is visually inspected to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Pallets of finished orders are loaded carefully onto trucks for delivery.
The complete journey ends as LED driver units leave the factory, showcasing the full high-efficiency production process.